Hi guys, today I'm going to be working on this Rainbow High Rainbow Vision Tiara Song doll. Well, this doll is well loved. She has patches of dyed hair, so I'm going to give her a makeover. As usual, I'm going to start with a good wash. I'm just using the regular shampoo that I have at home. However, I'm going to hold off on conditioning her hair just yet. Since I need to get rid of these different color patches of hair, I will dye her hair a deeper shade of purple. And wet hair is perfect for boil dyeing. So I have a little bit of water here boiling with 1 teaspoon of Rit Dye in royal purple. I use a Baskin-Robbins plastic spoon to measure how much dye I want to put in. I dip doll hair in like so for 10-15 seconds, then rinse in cold water. I usually repeat the process 3 or 4 times. By the way, the color is darker when it's wet, so if you want a darker purple, keep it in longer, and vice versa. After I'm happy with her hair color, I rinse it again and start conditioning her hair. It's a great time to brush her hair too. I use Pet Brush because it's a great detangler and it costs $1. Next step is to rinse her hair again and lay her flat to dry. Next, I'm going to give her beautiful curls. I am using plastic straws. I cut them in half and create doll curlers. Her hair is not dry, but a little damp. It will help with making these curls. So as you can see, I take a little strand of hair and then I wrap it around one part of the straw and then cover it with the second part of the straw. This will keep it in place. And then I go on wrapping her hair like this until there's no more hair left, which took a very long time, I should add. I also decided to give her 2 strands of hair with much tighter curls that would frame her face. And to achieve this, I'm using juice box straws. I am wrapping both strands of hair inward so that they look better in the end result. After all the hair is wrapped, I leave her on this desk for 24 hours. So now, 24 hours later, I'm ready to see the result. I think it's good. The curls are tight, they're shiny. I like it. So now that I got all the curlers out, I am going to separate the strands of hair by hand. Please do not use brush on the curls. It's gonna mess it up. It's gonna look like one big fluff ball. Nothing pretty about that. I separate a little strand. I also twist it with my finger like so to give it nice shape again. Here's what she looks like after I'm done. Now the 2 strands around the face are left. So once I took out the curlers, I didn't like how thick the strands were, so I made them a little thinner and just brushed the rest in the back. Next, I decided to give Tiara a custom headband to go with her new hairstyle. So I have here a plastic bottleneck ring, let me know if you know the correct name for it, some cardboard, hot glue gun, and some yarn. I start by wrapping some yarn around plastic bottleneck ring and securing it with hot glue at the ends to make a headband base. Next, I cut out cardboard triangles to attach to the base. I glue them on with some hot glue. After that, I got an idea to add some plastic diamonds I had left from the diamond art project. I used hot glue to cover the back part of the headband and some Fabri-Tac glue and smaller diamonds for the front part. Because this doll has a lot of volume in her hair, I'm going to use some pins to secure the headband in its place. And now, time for custom earrings. I went through all the bracelet charms that I have and I decided to choose dragonflies. First, I covered them in primer. Next, I mixed blue, red and white to make this purple color for the wings. And I used yellow paint for its body. I already made a short tutorial video on how to make custom doll earrings, so I will link it here. A few finishing touches. I didn't make custom clothes for this doll because I thought Violet's dress would be perfect for her since the beginning. So, what do you guys think about this makeover? I love it. She looks so cute. Thanks for watching. See you next time.